What are 5 ways that I managed to earn money with social media and how much I earned for each? Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about all things social media marketing for business. So if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button below. When you start and you build an audience on a platform on social media, there are a lot of ways you can start earning money. And in today's video, I'm just going to go through the 5 ways that I managed to do that and how much I made. These are not in order, so we're going to start with number 1, YouTube ads or Google ads. I started posting business videos on YouTube about 3 years ago in the January of 2019. That's when I started YouTube for business. So I started posting videos about social media management, growing your online business, making money online. But before that, I posted a lot on my YouTube channel, but I didn't get monetized and I didn't earn any money. I then managed to get monetized again after YouTube implemented that whole 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers monetization. And I got monetized in November of 2019. Once I got monetized, I started earning a few bucks here and there for some videos, and then some of my videos took off and I started earning a little bit more. But I was earning around $10, $20 a month. Then the next month I was earning $50, $60, then I got to $100, and now I'm earning at least a solid $500 every single month, but there are some months where I earn a bit more. So far, I made a little over $10,000 from YouTube ads since I started monetizing these business videos and started earning with them. I know that is not a lot compared to other bigger channels, but these are not the only leads and money that YouTube generated for me, so I was able to make money without even being monetized, without ads as well, and with a small audience. So that leads me to way number 2, by selling social media management services, so freelancing. I started monetizing my channel with services way before I was even monetized with YouTube ads, because I knew this is a way that I could start earning money quickly even with a small audience. That was a success for me, and I optimized my website so I can receive clients. I implemented client forms so people can get in contact with me and get my services, and I sold social media services for Instagram management, Pinterest management, and website design. These are all services that I still sell to this day. I started by charging $80 per service. Now I get to charge over $700 per service monthly, but it really depends on what the client needs and what strategy I need to implement. And it also depends on the social media platform, whether it is Instagram or it is Pinterest. I never actually calculated how much money I made from freelancing overall, but right now I make consistent from $1,500 to $3,000 per month. It really depends on the month and on how many clients I have, and every freelancing person out there knows that this is the deal with freelancing and selling services. In 1 month you can get 10 clients and be able to get them on board. On the next month you have a lot more projects, you're not able to take on that many clients and you make less money. But that doesn't mean there are not other ways that you can monetize your platform. And so the next one I'm going to talk about are digital products. This is another great way to monetize whatever platform you're growing right now, whether it is Instagram, Pinterest, you have a blog, you have a website, or you have a YouTube channel as well. Digital products are amazing to sell, and I'm talking about ebooks, I'm talking about workbooks, I'm talking about templates, online courses. Those are all great options to sell to your audience and make extra money. And in my experience, by selling services and digital products, you can start earning so much more than you would ever make with YouTube ads, for example, because it takes a lot of time to get monetized and it takes a lot to make money with YouTube ads, for example. But that doesn't mean you can make money with 1,000 subscribers only and not even being monetized, because it is about the value that you provide and the viewer and what they see in your content. But I'm not saying that you cannot make an income with YouTube ads as well. I'm just saying this is another really good income stream you should want to add to your business. I started with my Pinterest workbook that I sold for $11 or $14, depends if it was an offer or not. And if you want to know how much my first ever digital product earned me in my first year since launching it, I have this IGTV in the description below that you can watch. It is not very long and it tells you and breaks down exactly how much I made with my first ever digital product. The next income stream I added and started making money with social media was affiliate marketing. I still need to implement it a bit more in my strategy, but I joined affiliate programs of products that I knew you would enjoy and that I personally enjoy and love, and I started promoting them here and there in my YouTube videos. Obviously, I added the affiliate links in the description, and I only joined affiliate programs of products I knew that I could recommend to you. For example, I promoted a Pinterest ebook that I knew you would love because it will help you with your social media strategy for business, online courses, Canva templates, things that would help you in your business and things that have something to do with my niche and what my audience is interested in. Overall, through affiliate marketing, I only made around $2,000 so far. But again, as I said, I still need to work on this a little bit more and find products that you will actually love so I can recommend them to you. If you want to learn how to make your first ever affiliate sale, you should watch this video right here. And the next and final way I made money online with social media was through sponsorships on brand deals on my YouTube channel. If you scroll a little bit to my YouTube channel, you can clearly see what those are. There are 4 or 5 videos in total because with one of the brands, I did a series of 3 videos, and I'm not going to disclose exactly how much each paid me, but so far through brand deals and sponsorships, I made a little over $800 total. Obviously, brand deals and sponsorships grow as your platform grows, so brands will reach out to you a lot more and you'll be able to reach out to more brands and get accepted for those collaborations a lot more when your channel or platform grows. But as well, I'm trying to only accept brands that I truly want to work with, and again, recommend products that you would truly love and need, because it is just a more authentic way of promoting those products. I wouldn't be just sitting here blabbering around about why you should buy this. I would actually use it in a video. I would actually use it for my business and test it out before I would recommend it to you. So these are all things that I want to do with every single brand deal before I even come on my channel and talk about them. So these are all the 5 ways that I made money using social media so far. I'm still trying to implement a lot more, like selling online courses, again, working a bit more on my affiliate marketing strategy, but so far all of these ways are making me consistent money every single month, and I am very pleased with the results I get. If you want to learn more about making money online with your online business and growing your audience with social media, make sure to click that subscribe button below because I post every single week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So stay tuned for a bunch of videos with a lot of information. I share a lot more information as well on my Instagram account, so make sure to go follow me at lydia.incomingsuccess. I post a lot of educational reels there, IGTVs, and carousel posts that I'm sure you will want to check out. Thank you so much for joining me for this video as well, and I will see you in my next video.